James from Top of GRV. Just want to talk to you about our little LED light. This is quite a nice functional light for when you're away camping and hiking. It actually has many different modes that you can put it into. So one of the first one is it's a wide mode, so it's like a beauty light. So then you can put it into a down light position. So you can actually tell it to only put these two bulbs on and this bulb will stay off. And then you can open it all the way up and just have the one bulb on as well. But I tend to use it closed up like that because it comes standard with a little mini tripod. Sit it on a table, rest it on the table. You've got your thread in the base. That's where the USB charger is as well. Open that up and that'll sit on a table for you. So it's quite a handy little light. We use it inside the pergola as well as a downlight. So we'll set it up like this. I'll unscrew that and we'll use one of our little mini tripods like the one I've got on the wall here. So then what it is, I'll just pull this off, put that in the base, screw it on like a little helicopter, tighten it up, and what I'll do is I'll take it over to the pergola and just hook it up, and it sort of hangs there quite nicely. And you could set it in the corner of your pergola like that. Comes with a little remote controller as well. So if you want to turn it on, you just hit the button once, boom, and there's your light. Turn it off. All the different modes are on the button. Take care.